Aje do wewe kama msanii ukiweka content yako pale online, si ndio? At least pia kama wasanii tu learn, tusiwekange tu product alafu tunaingia. Msanii karibu sana Mr. Jeff, dakika 5 tu itaweza. Yani lazima wacheni wanataka kusikia what we have. So mimi niko grassroots, niko kama najua msanii ana perform aje, anatoa material yake wapi. So that's why nimekuja kuambia isikuwe fairy tale, usione tu kwa TV. So this is what happens. B, unajidevelop sahi. When I listen to you, when someone listens to you, that's your development. You are developing your brand.
So sell your brand to everyone, to anyone, not only to those who are here. Think about those who are not here. Can they hear your voice? How will they?
But what is the main point for that? Kwa sababu ya development. Kuna wenye hawezi kuja hapa. Why? Because maybe they don't know this place. Maybe they feel like they have the money where they can use that money to advertise, to make their brand. So akikaa tu kwa kiti, wewe utamwatch. Unaona? Atalipia. But kuna sisi wenye tunatumia everyday sweat. Hiyo ni self-made. Self-made inamaanisha sasa umetengeneza kitu yako, hiyo sweat yako. The sweat that you put into work. So develop something. Sasa ukitaka promoter, kama wewe ni msanii in Kenya, if you want someone to promote you, kama mimi naweza kuwa promoted. But is there anything unique that I can sell that you're going to offer? Umejidevelop. Hiyo ni yako, watu wanaisikia. Na wakisikia wanasema aje, wanasema just okay, or they can move forward with it, or they expect you to bring more. So that's development. Develop yourself. Develop your brand. Develop your site. Sai mtu akisoma kitabu changu, how do I reach anyone? Ametuambia hatukuchoose tuzaliwe, sangapi, nani, and why, and where. So even us, we have something that we know that is the best. Tunajuanga material yetu ndio the best. But can someone buy it? Mtu anaweza buy hata 1 shilling or 5 shillings. Na akibuy, they will need more, right? So communication. I say DCP. So develop and then communication. How do you communicate through your skill? How do you communicate through what you have? Sasa ukienda Juakani alisema vile alienda the first endorsement, aliulizwa kama kuna gari. Akasema doesn't have enough bad endorsement, the other artist alipata. But it was a good MC, mnajua wakati wa Juakani was good. So look at these people. Wanaangalia Juakani aliweza communicate to the fans. Prezo akifika kwa nini anafika na chopa. Everyone is all about Prezo. Hata kama nani alikuwa na perform, they will stop it. They will listen to this. So how do you communicate to not only us? Sai, hiyo poem yako poa, and that's your music. Can a president son or anybody else outside there listen to it? Hapo naona ni wanyonge tu. How do you communicate to? Kuna monetizing your product. You need to get money. You are a marketer. You imagine, wewe si brand tu peke yake. You are a marketer, you are an accountant, you are an IT guy. Lazima uende kwa page yako ifanye hivyo. You are doing all this by yourself. It requires a lot of skills, right? So it has to bring you something back. That's why BCP, promise or offer. Now, there's some of you have newbies, you have very nice material. You'd like to listen to it again. Hakuna hata mmoja wenu amesema, by the way, kuna yenye na release, nimeenda pali fulani, nikapata hii material, so I'm working on a project. Hakuna mwenye amejipromise hiyo. So we are just okay with what they've offered. If we don't see them next time, it's okay. So I'll say now to preach.
Just right. You will grow strong, bright, and light. So my question to you, have you ever felt in your heart that something wrong seems right? Like, is it wrong to fight for my rights? Is it wrong to use my other hand than right? So when I left my left hand, I go for the right. All along I may be right. I'm in a dilemma because she may be wrong, but mother is always right. I may be wrong yet considered Mr. Right. It is wrong to kill a warrior to give him his right. So when you wrong someone, you infringe on their rights. When I wrong you, I make it right, because a wrong is only healed by right, or is it what they call righting the wrong. But all the same,
anything small that you do, it is not small. Msanii sahi akwe endorsed, sahi hapa ni hata mwalimu Rachel nani ukae na yeye umwambie wewe ni msanii, it will not matter. Yarjia kuje hapa umwambie wewe unaimbanga, atakuwa nasikia ni kama. But if you package your product, hakuna mwenye utatafutwa. Unasema basi kuna msanii fulani nimemsikia pale, na msanii huyu anaitwa amekuja hapo leo. They will come here to look for you because you've developed, you've packaged, you communicate right, and then you offer. Unaona huyu jamaa kwa promising na vitu zenye anaweza leta more. You see, so do that. On development, fanya tu kitu kidogo. Enda kwa cyber, if you don't have a laptop, create an account. There's free website.
Movie Bookie
Free
by
website.
Jeff
There's
Kanzy.
a
Movie Bookie by Jeff Kanzy.